In today's video, I want to guide you on how to add half page border in MS Word or MS document. This process is pretty and simple. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a new page like this on your MS document. Once you've done that, go to design button here and click on it. From here, click on page border. Now click on box. Once you click on box, click on this OK button. Once you click on OK button, you have something like this. Now to make the border on this page, go and click on the start button here, then click on shape this icon, then pick this one, then drag this and fill the shape to this place. Let it fill like this. Now that I've done that, click on layout button here, click on this page. To have access to the size of this paper, click on this button. Then the paper is 8.5 by 11. So what is the value of half of 8.5 by 11? Bring out your calculator. 8.5 by 11 is equal to 4.225 by 5.5. Now once you know that, double click on the shape to bring this interface. Now come to the size button here. So we're going to take this size to be 4.5, 4.25, and here is 5.5. Now once you've done that, now click on design again. Once you click on design, click on page border again. Once you click on page border this time around, go ahead and click on none. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, you have yourself at this place. Right click on this shape, then click on shape format. You have yourself at this option here. Under this one, click on this fill button and select no fill. Then click on line option, this line, click on solid. Now you can come back to this place and do some adjustments. Let's add color here. You can add any color that suits you here. Let's add this red color if that is what you want. Then the width of the color, let's click on this button and increase the width of the color so that it be more clearer. Now that I've done all this, you are good to go from here. Now come over to this place on the border here, click here, make sure that this indication is out. Right click on it. Once you right click on it, click on wrap text. Here, once you click on wrap text, click on fix position on page. That is done. Then right click on it one more time. Once you have access to this information, this logo, right click on it. Now click on wrap text again. Now this time click on behind the text. Now that I click on behind the text, you have something like this. So we're going to create a page border here. Now let's write on this page border. So highlight all the text, then come over to this place. Let's select any of these that 50. Let's see 50 is okay. It's not okay. Then let's manually add 70 here. Enter. Now come to this place, centralize it. Now it's okay like this. Now let's make some adjustment here. Set half page border in MX. So our keyword here is half page. Now let's come to this fill button here and use this yellow. Then word, this time around, let's change the color here and use red. Or you can as well come back to this place and fill it with this. So that's all guys, you've been able to set half page border on Microsoft Word. That's all. If you enjoyed what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.